Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Henry, and Henry writes from Harrison, New Jersey. And Henry writes, I'm shopping for a mortgage now. Do you think one of those credit monitoring services can help me get a lower mortgage interest rate? Well, that's a good question, Henry. The simple answer is yes. I think that the credit monitoring service can improve your eligibility for better financing terms when you apply for a mortgage, which can save you thousands of dollars over the life of a mortgage loan. And that credit monitoring services can help you do that in three ways. I'm going to give you three ways. The first is to ensure that your credit report accurately reflects your financial history before a mortgage lender reviews it. The second is that the credit monitoring services provide proactive error tracking and handling, because sometimes there are errors on your credit report and you want those errors, you want to know about them so that you can dispute those errors before you end up in a lender review for a mortgage application. And the third benefit is the fact that because the credit monitoring service is checking 24/7, it can pick up on unknown inquiries or fraud before things get worse. And obviously, even a few points on your credit rating can improve the APR, or basically the interest rate that you get on a mortgage loan, significantly. And a higher credit score shows a lender that you are a lower risk, right? And that's a good thing. But I think you could certainly monitor your credit yourself, but the credit monitoring services are relatively inexpensive, and they're checking 24/7, whereas if you're monitoring your credit yourself, you're probably only checking once a year, maybe twice a year. So you get constant surveillance of your credit to prevent fraud, etc. And it provides, I think, a peace of mind for you that is warranted given the relatively low cost. So thanks for your question, Henry. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.